Hey guys, what's up? I am coming at you this morning, no makeup, and sorry my eyes are red. I have not been crying, I just rubbed them. And I know that's bad because that's gonna give me wrinkles, but they were like itchy and gross. Anyway, today I am planning on going to Dollar Tree and taking you guys with and hunting for some fall decor. We have a little bit so far, like not very much, and like pumpkins here and there, but I love the fall. I'm a basic fall and I want this place to feel like I live in a fall wonderland. Maybe we might make a stop at Target because they're like Dollar Spot, or what is it called now? Bullseye's Playground or something? I don't know. It used to be the dollar section way back in my day when I was like a kid. But they have really cute fall stuff. Like, okay, look at this cute little pillow. This hand-picked farm fresh pumpkins. Ignore all the dog hair on it. Coda was just sitting on it. And then you can reverse it to like a nice little green color. And this was only $5. Like, how cute is that? So I've already gotten a few things there, but it's so picked over because I live in the Midwest, and the Midwest is full of basic girls like me, and we all want to have cute fall decor. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me. First, I'm gonna take the dog to the dog park. Here, we'll bring her in. Come here, Coda. Come here, pretty girl. Come here. Hi, here she is. Here she is. Wait, say hi to the camera. She's like smelling. There she is. Yes, good girl. So we're gonna go to the dog park first. I'll have her run around a little bit before it gets too hot, and then we're gonna put her in her kennel, and I'm gonna go to the dollar store. Not the Dollar Spot, maybe the Dollar Spot too. All right, see you guys soon. Here we are. Whoops. So their store hours are temporarily 10 a.m. Opening at 10 a.m. So I think we're just gonna go to Target because it's only 9:10 and Target's like 5 minutes away, and I don't wanna come back. I don't know. Hey guys, I am back. And clearly not a Dollar Tree haul. Almost all of the stuff is from the dollar section there. Actually, all this stuff except for one little thing. So Kona's here because she likes to be the center of attention. Fitz is right over there. He might peep in and out. And yeah, I'm gonna show you everything I got first, and then I will style it for you. And keep in mind, I am not an interior designer. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. The only design experience I have is The Sims. So keep that in mind, and let's just get started with this bag. I have 3 bags of stuff. We'll try to go through this kind of quick. So first thing I got, these 2 4-count mini pumpkin sets. How adorable are those? They're in these kind of fall colors, and I thought they would be so cute just for kind of sitting around the apartment. They had a bunch of different colors from like blues and blacks and everything, so I thought these were really cute and will be super useful. And then I got 2 garlands. These are both 6 feet. Oh, I should tell you the prices too. Those pumpkins were $3 and these were $5 each. So these are 6 feet long, and I was gonna string them up together. I thought that would be really adorable. And this one particularly I think can transition into a bunch of different seasons. Like I could use this in the winter, in the spring, in the summer, and this is obviously more fall specific. A lot of these things actually will be able to transition well. And then this was the only thing that I got that was not in the dollar section. These little vanilla pumpkin tea lights. This was only $4, and this was over by just the regular homeware stuff. And these are vanilla pumpkin scented. I got these because, so there's, yeah, it's a 12-pack of these, but the cool thing about it is that I think vanilla pumpkin, like, it just like smells like a nice sweet smell, so you could totally use these in the winter and it'd be no problem. So they had these, and then they had some orange ones, but I thought the white ones were more versatile. And these guys go with these things. These are probably my favorite things that I got. These lanterns, these black lanterns that have these cute little tea lights in them. What I'm actually gonna do, see, it has the like fake tea light. I'm gonna take these fake ones out and actually put the real ones in here. I think it'll be fine. It has nice ventilation up here. You could totally use like just a little regular tea light. So aren't these adorable? These were $5 each, which I think is such a good little price. Let me go ahead and take out off the... Yeah, so it's real glass, not even plastic, and then it has... Okay, so it opens from the top like this. And it's real glass. That is so cool. Yeah, perfect. I love these little guys. These are so cute. And these will transition so well. You could use these year round. I mean, you could honestly put these outside if you wanted to, if you had like a covered area. They have this little thing that they can hang from. So cute. And only $5 each. And then I got this glass jar. This was only $3. I liked the way that it looked, kind of this darker, brassier color. I have a lot of plain clear glass colors, but I thought this was great for this season. And then the last things that I got are a bunch of just like fake flowers. So I'll start off with the cute little dollar ones first. So these little guys are $1 each, and they're just cute little fake plants. So a little straw, super cute, some little leaves like that, adorable. Lamb's ear, I guess. A lot of these are also transitional. Like, I love this thing. Purple flower. This could totally be used in the winter. I think this is eucalyptus. Yeah, another very fall one. Fall berries, and then 2 more of the eucalyptus, which are great. I think they're great little fillers. Oh, one more non-plant thing, string lights. I'm gonna put these up, I think, with the garland. These are so cute, and also these would totally work for any season of the year. And then I got some larger $3 fake plants. Berries, and then these little guys. So 3 of these, and I thought this was great because I could totally use this in the winter too, and it would look very wintry. So that is all of that. I'm gonna go ahead and style it, and then I'll walk you around and show you exactly how everything turned out. So stay tuned. All right, guys, here is a slow pan of the finished result. I will go around and show everything to you guys individually. But this is what it looks like. There's Kona again. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. So let's start over here on this bookshelf. I'll go through all of my decor and like remind you which things I got today. So starting up here, I didn't get any of this today. These are all of my poor succulents that are probably dying. That's my grow light, which is from Amazon. And then this is an older bouquet of fake fall flowers. I've had this. We use this every year. It's nice and pretty in an old vase. This is, oh, and this is a sign of home, a place your feet may leave, but your heart will always be. I think that's really cute. This is a like herb stick that was dried with a little crystal on it. I got this at the farmer's market, and I thought it was so cute just hanging there. And then here's some stuff I got today. These are some of the fake flowers. This mason jar is actually a family heirloom. This is from like 1909 or something like that. These pumpkins are from last year. Old stuff. I actually got that stuff this summer. That's a bunch of junk in there. So old candles and stuff. That candle's just burning. None of that is what I got today. And then if you go down here, you have some of those pumpkins that I got from Target just today. I think they were kind of cute just sitting right there. There I am. Oh, no, you can't see anything. Yeah, and another one of the mason jars. I'm gonna go like that. Actually, Akash puts his beer caps in there. I think it looks kind of cute. Don't worry, that's like from the last several months. It's not like all in a week. So I'll just pan this again. That's our room. Right there, we have a baby gate there so the dog can't get in. And yeah, there that is. All right, now moving over to the TV area. This is kind of the pièce de résistance, this whole thing, but this is the larger jar with the jar and then the fake flowers. I have to take the sticker off that. And then I have right along here the garland, and I just kind of fixed it with some duct tape. You can kind of see that there, but I don't think people will notice if they're not looking for it. These are some older pumpkins I have from last year. And then these little ball lights things, they actually require AAA batteries, which I don't currently have. So we have to go get a AAA's, but I still think it looks really cute. Just like that. And then down here is one of the lanterns. And then this is one of the burning little votive candles in there. It's burning just fine. It's not hot at all up there, so that's good. This is also from Target. They have these still. I didn't get it this season. I got it last season, but it's just a cute little chalkboard. It's like $3. And then the last kind of area I have with new stuff today is this little tray here. Those are her glasses. More of those cute little pumpkins, and then the little fake flowers, the little dollar ones, and then the other lantern. And this one actually opens from the front. Isn't that cute? So one opens from the top and one opens from the front. I have another little votive burning in there. And that's about it. If you want to look over here, I guess that is one of the older pillows that I got a couple Target trips ago, but that is available now at Target at the dollar section. And then over here is our little herb garden that I sort of DIY'd a few weeks ago. I think this guy was from Walmart a few years ago. But anyway, that's it for the Target haul with fall decor. I'll give you one more once over. Here we go. I think it's nice. It's not like too over the top, but it's still cozy. I think I did a decent job for not having any experience doing this. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad that you came along with me today. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I am totally an amateur at this, so definitely not something that I have a lot of experience in, but it's a lot of fun to do anyway. Oh, I should tell you, the total price of everything, including the pillow that I didn't buy today, was about like 70 bucks. So I think that's pretty good for some fall decor. I got a bunch of stuff, so I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, don't look at the mess in the background. I had to like move everything out of the way so I could film this. So everyone take care. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.